Number 1.
1978 Chevrolet C10, price $8,500, finished in a timeless brown exterior and equipped with an automatic transmission. Under the hood, it is powered by a dependable 350 engine paired with a turbo 350 transmission, along with a factory 4-barrel carburetor and factory air conditioning, features that add both performance and comfort to this vintage truck. It starts up with ease and drives great, offering a smooth and reliable ride. The odometer reads 112,000 miles and some change, reflecting reasonable mileage for its age. As expected for a truck of this era, the dash pad shows some cracking and the door panels have wear. However, the seat has recently been redone, giving the interior a refreshed look, and it now includes built-in cup holders for added practicality.
Number 2.
1989 Chevrolet Silverado, price $8,500. It shows 164,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission, offering smooth and reliable driving. This 2WD model is powered by a strong 5.7L 350 V8 engine, a well-known and dependable power plant that delivers solid performance and the unmistakable sound of a traditional small-block Chevy. Finished in blue with a tan interior, the truck has a timeless color combination that complements its vintage character. The exterior paint still presents nicely for its age, reflecting the care it has received. Inside, the cabin remains in well-kept condition, maintaining a clean and classic look. It features manual windows and door locks, staying true to its simple and durable original design.
Number 3.
1997 GMC Sierra 2500, price $10,000, finished in blue with a gray interior. This gasoline-powered pickup is equipped with a strong 7.4L V8 engine producing 290 horsepower and 410 lb-ft of torque, paired with a 4L60E 4-speed automatic transmission. This truck runs and drives excellently, delivering solid performance and smooth shifting. It comes well equipped with power windows, power door locks, the original AM/FM radio, and comfortable bucket seats with a center console. The body is straight with no accidents reported, and the interior and exterior remain clean and well cared for. It holds a clean title, and everything on the truck functions as it should. Recently serviced, it has had an oil change and transmission fluid change completed. The serpentine belt was replaced about a year and a half ago, and the alternator was replaced 2 years ago. It also sits on newer tires with low mileage.
Number 4.
1988 GMC 1500, price $7,500. It has traveled 159,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission for smooth and reliable driving. It features an attractive blue exterior complemented by a matching blue interior. This truck has been a one-owner vehicle and has remained within the same family for its entire life, which speaks to the level of care and consistent maintenance it has received over the years. Under the hood, it is powered by a 4.3L engine. A new Jasper engine was installed in 2001 when the odometer read 93,300 miles, meaning the engine itself currently has approximately 60,000 miles of use. Additionally, the transmission was professionally rebuilt in 2021. The seller retains all paperwork and documentation for the engine replacement and transmission rebuild, providing added confidence and transparency regarding the truck's maintenance history.
Number 5.
1980 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000, well-maintained classic pickup with only 70,000 miles on the odometer.
It is equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline.
The truck features a blue exterior paired with a black interior, giving it a clean and timeless appearance. It comes with a clean title, adding to its overall appeal. Recent mechanical updates include a new flywheel and a replaced transmission, ensuring reliable performance. The truck retains its original wheels and has new rear tires installed. Inside, it has been upgraded with leather seats, new carpeting, a custom steering wheel, an aftermarket stereo system with upgraded speakers, and tinted windows, offering a comfortable and modernized driving experience while maintaining its classic character.
Number 6.
1996 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,000. It has 173,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a white exterior paired with a blue interior and runs on gasoline. The truck has not been driven during the winter months and has been garage-kept for the past 3 winters, helping preserve its overall condition. It has proven to be a solid and dependable vehicle over the years. While it does require some routine maintenance, as expected with any older truck, it runs and drives well. The vehicle remains largely original, with the exception of an upgraded exhaust system and a Bluetooth stereo that were added by the owner. With its strong foundation and classic appeal, it offers plenty of potential for customization. Additionally, it comes with a clean Vermont title.
Number 7.
1997 Chevrolet 3500, price $3,500, powered by a strong 454 big block gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. It has 329,000 miles on the odometer and comes in a blue exterior with a matching blue interior. This truck has received several recent updates. It is equipped with new tires, a new starter, a new battery, a new distributor, new spark plugs, and new spark plug wires. The oil has been freshly changed. Additionally, it includes a new blower motor resistor, and door lock cylinders. Although these parts have not yet been installed, on the downside, the truck currently has no heat, no air conditioning, and no radio. The engine has a noticeable miss and there is an exhaust leak that will need attention.
Number 8. 1984 Chevrolet C10, price $9,500, comes with full paperwork and a clear title in the owner's name. It is powered by a built 355 SBC running on pump gas, equipped with Sniper EFI, a Comp Cam's hydraulic roller cam, Brodix IK180 aluminum heads, MSD ignition, and a serpentine drive with blower cog belt. Ceramic-coated headers and dual exhaust give it an aggressive sound and strong performance. A built TH350 transmission with a 2500 stall converter and BM megashifter sends power to a 12-bolt rear end with traction bars. The truck is very quick, shifts smoothly, steers tight, and brakes well, riding on torque thrust D-wheels, finished in rust-colored paint with clear coat. It has a super clean frame, suspension, underside, and bed, with some rust on the rockers, lower doors, and lower rear quarter panels. Number 9.
1991 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,800. The truck has 201,000 miles on the odometer and is paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in white, this 2WD pickup is powered by a V8 engine that delivers dependable performance for daily driving or light-duty work. The truck has recently undergone a fresh tune-up and is reported to run and drive well. It comes equipped with convenient power windows and power door locks, adding comfort and practicality to the driving experience. Several important maintenance items have been replaced, including brand new spark plugs and wires, a new MSD distributor cap and rotor, and a new battery that was purchased just last month. In addition, it features a new exhaust system, contributing to improved performance and reliability.
Number 10.
1972 Ford F100, price $9,250, finished in striking Bahama blue with a matching blue interior.
This truck retains its factory 302 V8 engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, delivering an authentic driving experience true to its era. Powered by gasoline, it represents the rugged simplicity that made these classic Ford trucks so desirable. This 72 model features a highly sought-after original paint patina, giving it a distinctive killer patina look that collectors appreciate. As a solid Southern truck, it has maintained a strong foundation and presents itself with great character. Sitting on 8-inch wheels, it has an excellent stance that complements its classic bump-side body style.